Hi, today I'm going to show you that how we will create iSCSI disk on an iSCSI server and then access those disks on a different machine. To create an iSCSI server, I'll have to add roles and features. Next, I'll select the role of iSCSI server, file and storage services, file and iSCSI services. Here I'll have the option of iSCSI target server. Next, next. Install. This installation will take about a few minutes. As you can see, I'm done with the installation. Close. I'll go to File and Storage Services. I'll go to iSCSI. Now here I'm going to create the iSCSI virtual disk. Either I can create it from here or I can create it from here also. Here I'll select my server and the volume from which I would like to create the virtual disk. Next. I'll create the name, let's say virtual disk 1. As you can see, the extension here will be VHDX and this is the path where the disk will be created. Let's say 5 GB. Now, I'll have to create a new iSCSI target. I do not have any existing iSCSI target. The name of the target, since this is my LON DC1 server, I'm naming it as same. Now, I'll have to specify the initiators or the systems who will try to access the iSCSI disk from this target. So here I'll specify the IP addresses of my client systems. IP address. Let's find out. These are my two initiators, LON CL1 and LON CL2. I'll see what are their IP addresses. 40 and 41. I'll specify the IP addresses for both of them. 40 and I'll add one more. Next, if I want to enable any kind of authentication, I can do that. That's it. Create. So just take a few seconds. Done. Close. Let me try and create one more. Let's say 2 GB. Same target. Create. Close. So I have created two virtual disks on my LON DC1 target server. Now I'll have to access these both on my clients. LON CL1. I'll launch the iSCSI initiator. Now, already my Windows 10 server has the iSCSI initiator. It's already there in the server. You need not add from anywhere. Now, iSCSI uses Microsoft iSCSI service, so it will automatically start the service. Okay, so before doing this, I would like to show you that on my LON CL1, let me go to the disk management. And as we can see here, that I only have two disks, 0 and 1, right? So now here I'll add the IP address of my LON DC1 or my target. Quick connect. They have found it. Login succeeded. Done. Okay, let's just refresh. Yes. So I hope we can observe that now my launch sale one has two more disks, that is 5 GB and 2 GB. The same which I created in launch DC one. Let's go to launch CL2 and check if we can do the same here also. Go to iSCSI initiator. Yes. We can see the same thing here also, disk management. Cancel it right now. Right. Okay, this system has around 3 disks already, which is of 10 GB. Let's just add the iSCSI disk also here. To dot add the IP address of LON DC1. Quick connect. Done. Okay. Right. So and we can observe that now it has two more disks, 5 GB and 2 GB. Right. So this is how we have created iSCSI disk on an iSCSI server and then connected them to the client machines. And now on my domain controller, I can observe that the target status for both the virtual disk is connected. Right. Thank you.